Hey everyone, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. I'm going to start putting this mask on and then I will tell you more about it, okay? Just to get it started while we're talking. And Mask Monday is an open collab for anybody that wants to. You can tag Mask Monday Ladies. Some people just tag Mask Monday and some people tag Mask Monday Friends. And I do all three, just so that y'all can find me. And this mask is a two-part, I believe. This mask is a set of 3 that I got from Fab Fit Fun. I'm going to announce some winners. But let me get this started and then we'll talk about stuff. Oh, is this cool? Now, let me see. I think when you have a two-part, you're supposed to put the bottom first. Let's do that because I don't remember. This looks like fish scales. Y'all, I want to tell y'all, I do want to mention this. On my Friday night gab, I don't know exactly what I said. I have to go back and listen. But a lot of you sent me private messages saying you're praying for me, and I can't thank you enough. I really need it. I'm okay. I'm healthy. Don't worry about me. Please don't worry about me. It just, things are just a lot of sick people around me, a lot of upset around me. It's not me personally so much, you know, but it just seems that things just keep being negative, if you know what I mean, you know. So anyway, so I don't want to go into things because it's not my stories to tell, private kind of things, but it's just been rough. So I appreciate you so much. A lot of you commented you were praying for me and thinking of me, and a lot of you sent me messages, and I can't thank you enough. It means so much to me. I laid this down on my towel, so some of the essence came off. I'm just sort of, you know, I'm just out of it. I'm just, oh wow. This is going to go up way high. All right, I have this particular ears or whatever you call them. This needs to go up high. Okay, this is really cool, y'all. So I'll tell you a little bit about this mask, and I just want to, I don't mean to aggravate or upset people, but I love y'all so much. I mean, really, I can't believe that I have met such wonderful people on social media. You know, like Facebook, you know, you're friends with people you know. When that starts, you may meet other people later, but you know what I mean? I didn't know any of y'all, and y'all have been so wonderful to me and so good to me, and I can't thank you enough. I just adore you, and I'm just so blessed. I feel so blessed. I never in a million years thought I would do this. Something like this. I never wanted to be in the spotlight, and y'all just make me happy. So thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about that. Let's move on. Okay, I have a couple of winter announcements to talk about, and I also got a few things from Fab Fit Fun. You know, I got my Fab Fit Fun went up last week, one day last week. If I remember, I'll put it in the description. And if you haven't seen it, you can go see it. Isn't this cool? Can you all see? It's like fish scales, and it's like holographic a little bit. So when you shop for Fab Fit Fun, you can do add-ons. So I did do a few add-ons. I don't do a lot because I just don't need a thing. I don't need a thing, y'all. But they had a special on these masks, and I've had these masks. It's been a long time, but this is the box. It got crushed a little bit. If you all remember, my Fab Fit Fun box was crushed, but I sort of popped it out a little bit. This is the Pure Aura hologram foil masks, and there's 3 in here. And this is valued at $18, so $6 a mask, y'all. And I paid $5.99. I paid the price for 1 mask, and it came with 3, okay? If you are involved at all in my bonus for the treasure trove. I will put this mask in the bonus, okay? So let's get that out of the way. And so this one that I have on, they're all a little bit different, but they're all going to be 2 parts, and they're all going to be a little bit different. It says to leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. You know, every mask is different. So most of them are 10 to 20 minutes. This is 20 to 30. So it feels very good. It doesn't have a scent. I don't smell anything. You coming over, Smudge? I don't smell anything at all. It says premium foil face mask. And I'm looking at the box. Of course, you cleanse your face first and then place the mask on. I leave on for 20 to 30 minutes and remove and gently tap the remaining essence into the face to fully absorb. So that's the kind of mask I like. I prefer a mask that you do not have to wash off. So these are just very, very nice. And that's the package I picked. And then they're all a little bit different looking. So we have that one available. Okay, so also I got 2, all right, I'm getting ahead of myself as usual. They had a sponge gel bundle. Y'all, I don't need any more sponge gels. I need to do a video of my sponge gel collection, and it would take 45 minutes to show you. maybe not that bad. But I don't need one more sponge gel, but they're going up in price now. So, you know, we used to get them, even Boxycharm would even have through the winter time, maybe not even, maybe it's been a while, but they would have 4 for $10. That's $2.50 a sponge gel. And now they're $4 on Boxy. They may be $3. You might get one at $3. But see, now those sales are moving over to Ipsy, so we're not sure. Ipsy has had them, they have just 1 cent for $5. So I'm not sure how much they're going to cost anymore. Well, so Fab Fit Fun has them, and they usually have them now. They have them for $7 a piece. Sometimes they have a double pack, you know, that's cheaper than that. Well, they have this 3-pack for $15, for $14.99. So that makes them $5 each, which is still a good deal. And these are gorgeous ones. These are different scents than we're used to. A lot of the scents that are on the sales are all the same old scents, you know. So let me show you these. I also got 2 mystery bundles, but not the $39 mystery bundles. I haven't bought any yet. I don't know if I will, because I thought $29 was bad enough. And I hate that because it's going to mess up my bundle battles with Johanna from Jam Unboxing and More. But we still have a couple of bundles, so don't give up on us yet. But I bought 2 mystery bundles that are called refills. So when you're shopping, when you're picking what you want in your box, they have these things called refills, and they have different products. And I thought that those prices were locked in. It was $14.99 for a mystery bundle, a refill mystery bundle. So they're smaller. They have 3 items, and I think they're only supposed to have to be valued at $60. Well, they sent me an email before it was time to customize, and they raised the price to $19.99. So obviously the price is not set in stone. All right, this is really aggravating because this keeps falling. And okay, so it went to $19.99. Okay, I did write myself a note. The value should be $65. And then 1 in 25 boxes will have something that's extra high value. 1 in 25 mystery bags. And they said something the same for the new price of the $39 ones also. So anyway, I'm not going to show you those yet. I may do some sort of a battle with those with Johanna. We're going to see. So let me show you the 3 sponge gels because they're absolutely gorgeous. So in the mystery bags have a sticker on them. And one of the stickers was off the bag and it was on here. So that ruined this gorgeous box, but this is, look how pretty that is. You know, these are just so beautiful. They can make a great housewarming gift, you know, going to someone's house to eat or something. This one is called Cassis Royale. And, you know, they're just, it's the flower shape and there's a hole. And this one is a little, it's on the yellow side. It smells delicious, as they all do. And it does have the handle that you can put through the hole if you want to. It smells wonderful. It is, I don't think it's does it say the notes on the packaging? Yeah, it does. It's orange blossom, peach, and sandalwood. Those are the notes in here. And then the other two are just as gorgeous. Here's the other two, just as gorgeous. And this one is pepper blossom. And that one's whiter. And it says, oh, this one doesn't show the notes. It doesn't show. Pepper blossom. It smells florally to me. It smells delish as always. And then this one has the notes. This is pink pample mousse. Pink pample mousse. And that is grapefruit, rose, and amber. Oh, that smells, oh, that one's my favorite of the three. Okay, so look, they're just gorgeous. Look at the packaging, you know. Anyway, so that's what I got besides the 2 refills, which I'll show in a different video, or I may be doing a battle with that, I'm not sure. And so let's tell you the winners. All right, so I have the winner for my Mask Monday from last Monday. I did the beautiful marine masks, the Marine. And there were 6 in this box. I did 1. And I said that y'all could pick, whoever won could pick one of these. So the winner of that is Janet. Now Janet, I have 2 subscribers that are Janet. I'll put the winners at the end so you can see them. The Janet that won this time her face is on there. She is our friend Janet that sends friend mail and such. There's another Janet that has like a cartoon or a painting. And actually that Janet won something not too long ago. But anyway, so Janet with the picture of her face won. So Janet, let me know which one you want. And I'll put in some more sheet masks or something, Janet, okay? And then I have the winner for my wonderful collab. It was so much fun, y'all. Love and Lashes. Love and Lashes, y'all. I'm telling you, that was so much fun. I had so much fun doing that. That was a collab that the wonderful Sue from Reviews with Sue. It was her suggestion to do something with our eyelashes because we were saying, you know, we never tried eyelashes. And it was also Kim from Kim's A Little of a Lot. The 3 of us had never tried eyelashes before. And a lot of the channels, the makeup ladies wear the eyelashes all the time. And I've been saying for like 2 years that I'm going to try it. And I just haven't done it. So we just decided that let's do it. So we had a giveaway as well. So I will announce my winner here, and then you'll go see their channels because, you know, I'm not sure what day they'll post their winner. Okay. So, but they'll, you know, Sue, I think Sue does her winners like a certain time of the month. Maybe the end of the month, or I'm not sure. So, you know, but do what she said in her video. She probably told you. And the same with Kim's A Little of a Lot. Do what she says in her video. And my winner is Ray B, R-E-Y, and then a separate letter B. And I'll put the pictures at the end so you can see them. So Ray, I'll need your information so I can send you out your giveaway. I had shown the giveaway in that video. And I just had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. Y'all, I don't know that I'll ever wear eyelashes again. Maybe for a special occasion or a special video or something. But I doubt very much that I'll be doing it again, you know, regularly, because my eyes are just too sensitive, I guess. I didn't have an allergic reaction to it or anything like that. That's not what I mean. I just don't like things in my eyes. Like I'm always getting fur in my eyes and from the cats and things like that. So I just don't care for it. And you know, this would stay on if I wasn't talking. So anyway, y'all, so I'm going to leave this on because it's only about 15 minutes or less. And it says to keep it on for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to take advantage of that. My skin really needs it. And I thank you all so much. Please congratulate the winners below. And thank you so much for being here. And thank you for all of your support. Your support means so much to me. It helps me through each and every day. And I truly mean that. I just am so grateful for y'all. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I love talking to you. I know that I have subscribers that do not talk to me. and I don't know who you are. So, but I appreciate that you're here. I would love it if you'd say something, but you know, because I am I've got the gift of gab. You know, the Irish. I've got the gift of gab. I'm a lot of other things besides Irish, by the way. But I know some people are just shy and don't want to speak. If that's you, you can always send me an email, marycatherinelovescats@yahoo.com, or you can always see me on Instagram, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, just like the name here. So, and I messed that up, didn't I? Anyway, I'm going to leave that on, y'all. Have a wonderful Monday, and stay safe and count your blessings. Bye-bye.